In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your eProductivity standalone application to use the latest version of the eProductivity template. First, we open up the eProductivity standalone application and check for updates. We do this by selecting the eProductivity button and check for updates. Here you can see that I'm currently running version 2.06 of eProductivity and that the latest version is 2.07. Therefore, I will click on the Get Update button. This takes me to the eProductivity Download Center. Since I'm using the standalone application, I will click on Standalone. From the standalone page, you can see that there are options for new users of eProductivity Standalone, and for existing users of eProductivity Standalone, there are instructions to upgrade the existing standalone database. This is what you want to click. Here I'm presented with two links. These allow me to download the correct version of eProductivity based on the version of Lotus Notes that I'm using. Since I'm using Lotus Notes version 8.52, I'll go ahead and choose this first option. Now I'm prompted to save the eProductivity template. I'm going to click the Save button and then direct my browser to save the file in my Lotus Notes data directory. Now, if you don't know where your Lotus Notes data directory is, before you follow these steps, you'll want to go into your file system and search for the file names.nsf, and that will show you where your Notes data directory resides. So I'm going to save this file. I will navigate onto my C drive where my Lotus Notes data directory lives. I'm going to save this template. Once the download has completed, I can go ahead and close my web browser. The next step is to select the eProductivity standalone application from within the Lotus Notes workspace and refresh the design. We right mouse click on the standalone application icon and select Application, Refresh Design. Now, if you don't have the Refresh Design option visible, it could be that you'll need to turn that on. And the way to do that is to select View, Advanced Menus. I'm going to select the application from the workspace, right mouse click, and then choose Application, Refresh Design. I'll go ahead and allow Lotus Notes to pull the design from my local computer, and I'll press Yes to begin the design refresh process. Now, if you look in this lower left-hand corner, you can see that Lotus Notes is upgrading the design of this database with the information from the new template. When you see the Design Refresh Completed message, that's your indication that the refresh process is complete. The final step is to open the eProductivity standalone application and complete the setup wizard. I'll do that now. Here you can see that eProductivity displays the new version number and it prompts me to begin the setup wizard. I'll click Continue. I'll accept the license agreement, and now eProductivity Setup Wizard is prompting me to update my folders. If you have a large number of folders, this could take a while. Finally, I need to exit and restart Lotus Notes so that the updates and preferences can be read the next time I start Lotus Notes. Now I will restart Lotus Notes. And when I open eProductivity Standalone, you'll be able to see on the welcome screen that I'm now running the most current version.